Okay, we're at our FireTV screen. This is the main screen. Pick up your remote. Right there at the very top is your circle, and that's how you'll navigate this screen. All right, if I hit down on the bottom portion of the circle, you'll see it highlights MoviesPlus. That's the channel I would like to watch. And on the middle of the circle there, I depress that. Clicking, I guess you could call it the OK button, that opens up the app. Okay, so here we have MoviesPlus. This is the first screen that opens right up, and if you have a fast internet connection, it will open up just that fast. If you have a little bit slower connection, you're going to see a spinning hoochie coo, and then eventually it will open up. And this is the first screen right now. I have favorites at the very top. The first video is ready to play. If I don't want to play that, I grab my remote. On the right-hand side of that circle, I depress it, and I can navigate. I can choose a different video right now. If I'd rather not watch one of these, I can go back, pressing the left part of my circle on my remote, bringing me all the way back to that first video. If I'd like to watch this, I can hit the center of the button, boom, depressing that, and it's going to play this first video. Okay, let me show you the remote. I just hit that pause button right there. That one paused it. I'd like to play it again, depress it again, and it's playing. Okay, if I'd like to fast forward a little bit, I hit this button here. See how it fast forwards? See the arrow on the screen? Fast forwarding. Now I'd like to play it again. Let's hit the play button. And there we go. See? Alright. Let's skip all the way to the end of it. We'll let it play. Here. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Alright. So, playing all the way to the end. Let me hit the play button. I'll show you what happens when you play the very end portion of a video. It's going to populate the next video in line, okay? Automatically loads it and plays it. So this is you could call it the couch mode. And let's back it up. Here's my return button right there. Let's go back. Okay, we're back to the main screen. See how it populated the next video? That's the first video, next video. It'll autoplay all these if you'd like to just sit back on your couch and play. Now, just to navigate the rest of the screen, let's grab our remote again. Upper portion of that circle, depress it. It's going to populate my menu. That's a menu drop down. Hit the center of the button, boom. Opens it right up, okay? So anyway, take the remote. There's the top button. There's the bottom button, right? I want to go down now. So let's go down to yoga. If I don't want yoga, maybe classic British television. How about Short Film Fest? How about Roots? That's a cool mini-series. Independent film. We got tons of independent films here. If you're an independent filmmaker, MoviesPlus is for you. I'll broadcast your films at no charge at all. Just send me an email. Contact me through YouTube if you like, or Facebook. Either way, MoviesPlus.org is the website. All right, so did you see how I selected this new category? We're ready to watch videos again, aren't we? Just like we did before. If I wanted to watch that first video, I would depress the center button again. Maybe I don't want an independent film. Maybe I don't want to go that way. There's a ton of films on here, pretty cool stuff. Everything, a lot of good science fiction if you're into that. Great claymation film right there. Life is Strange, a nice film. Fragile Storm, dynamite film with Lance Henriksen in it. You got to watch that one. If you haven't seen Fragile Storm, I encourage you to watch it. All right, here's our remote. I'm going to pause it, return, because I'm not in the mood to watch Fragile Storm right now. I want to show you a little bit more. Okay, let's go back up. Up button, those are our categories. Center button loads all the categories. Here's all we have available right now. Okay, everything from seasonal archives. It's got a lot of Christmas stuff. Fireplace, if you just want to kick back and watch a fireplace for 2 hours, it's in there. Slow TV, that's a unique set of videos to help you relax. Drama, fun, all sorts of fun genres to watch here. Fitness series, great stuff. Look at all that. Okay, that's basically it. That's how you operate the channel. If you want to exit the channel, there's your home button right there. Depress it, and it's going to exit me all the way back to my, come on baby, home screen. There we go. That's about it. Thanks for watching.